Welcome to the IQTouch TR1310C Pro Whiteboard tutorial video. Menu. New. Create a new whiteboard page. Open existing files or resources. Import files in formats like IMG, PDF, SVG, or IWB. Export your work as IMG, PDF, SVG, or IWB. Cloud storage, connect to Google Drive or OneDrive. Theme, change the whiteboard background to lines or other styles. Send email, add your Google account to send whiteboard content via email. Share, export current whiteboard content. List, view all saved whiteboard files. Select objects to move, resize, rotate, copy, delete, or lock. Pen. Choose finger, fine, or thick pens. Open the Whiteboard app. First, set different colors for the fine tip pen, thick tip pen, and finger input. Then, write using the pen tip, pen tail, and your finger. The annotations will appear in the corresponding colors. The system also recognizes basic shapes and refines them automatically. AI Pen automatically turns sketches into standard shapes for fun, interactive lessons. Eraser. Erase parts of the screen. Ruler. Use tools like straightedge, triangle, protractor, or compass. Shape. Insert 2D or 3D shapes. Partition. Split the screen into 2, 3, or 4 parts. Table. Create a table on the whiteboard. Mind map. Add mind maps for idea organization. Sticky notes. Insert sticky notes as reminders or highlights. Preview. Roam and view the full whiteboard canvas. Grid. Enable 4-line English handwriting grid. Formula. Insert math or scientific formulas. Undo the last action. Redo the previously undone action. Add a new whiteboard page. Thanks for watching this whiteboard tutorial.